Bring brightness and nostalgia to your table with my orange Jello cottage cheese salad, perfect for barbecues and potlucks. Start by draining the can of mandarin slices and fruit cocktail through a fine mesh strainer to drain as much liquid as possible. While that's draining, set it aside, and we'll start with our cottage cheese mixture. In a large bowl, add in your cottage cheese, and then on top of that, we'll sprinkle in an entire box of orange Jello powder. Use a rubber spatula to stir it in, making sure to scrape the bottom and the sides of the bowl so that all of the Jello powder is incorporated in the cottage cheese. Take the drained fruit and add it to the cottage cheese mixture, stirring in to combine. Making sure that the whipped topping is fully thawed out, we'll add half of the amount that we need to the bowl with the cottage cheese and fruit and fold it in. You want to make sure to keep as much air and fluffiness as possible before adding in the rest of the whipped topping and then folding it in until fully incorporated. At this point, you can fold in any extra ingredients like our mini marshmallows or any chopped nuts. Keep folding in the ingredients until fully incorporated into the salad and then divide in serving cups or your serving bowl. Decorate with some extra fruit or mini marshmallows and set it in the fridge for about an hour to let everything set up. Find the full recipe at frenchcascook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.